Hi, everyone. So, everywhere I go, people are always asking me, Shanika, can you show me how to trade in binary options? Can you show me how do you actually see these charts? I want to be able to look at the charts like the educators do. Can you show me what to do? How do you analyze this market for a beginner? Okay, so it's kind of simple. Here up top is your currency pairs. But for today, on the weekend, you can trade stocks on pocket option, okay? But if it was a regular day when the market is open, you go for currencies, okay? Now you see all the different currency pairs here that you have. You see some crypto that you may have and some commodities as well as the stocks, okay? For right now, let's go ahead and choose Bank of America. Now, if that educator or if that person that you're trading with say, listen, I'm looking at Bank of America, then on your end, you would definitely go hit Bank of America. Okay, that's the first thing you do. You always look for what you're looking at. That's the first thing you do on your broker screen for binary options. What currency pair or what stock or what crypto are you looking at? Okay, next, they're going to say what time. Okay, how long we're going to be in this trade. And for right now, let's just say I said we're going to be in for 1 minute. Well, then you would click it to make sure that your timer says 1 minute. Okay, so that's that. That's the second thing. Now, the price of that currency or that stock or whatever that you're trading, that's this little button that you see going up and down, up and down. And they're normally looking for the last 3 digits, okay? The last 3 digits. So say if I said, hey guys, we're looking at Bank of America to trade it. When price gets to 123, let's just say that's what it was on 123. When price gets to 123, I'm going in for a call. Now, let's say if it was on 123, I just hit the call button for 1 minute. Now, price has a minute to stay above where I entered at, and I would get a profit. Now, if price doesn't stay where I intended to be after that time frame is over, then I would lose that profit. That is where proper risk management comes into play. You don't want to over leverage your account already. You don't want to, give the broker all of your money already, right? You want to make sure that you have a great trading plan in place, that you're not risking all of that on one trade. Okay. So we will be waiting to see if it actually makes us a profit. Now, if it makes us a profit, we're going to see a green bubble pop up. Okay. And if it doesn't, we are going to see a red bubble pop up. Now, check this out. If we would have took that trade, we would have got a profit. And as you see, price went the direction that I intended it to go. It shot all the way up in that time frame of 1 minute that I said. Okay. Now that is how simple we trade with educators and we trade with instructors, and we get paid. Okay. Now, if you're saying to yourself, well, Shanika, say if I don't want to trade with the educator, say if I want to learn it, I want them to teach me, but I want to see what they're seeing. Okay. And so that's where you're going to come into play with your trend lines and your horizontal lines. Okay. And so you're going to block your price in per se. When we say that, we're just basically meaning that we want to see where our resistance area is, which is there. Okay. We want to see where our support is, which right now is here. Okay. Let's go ahead and make that thicker. But right now you see that it's breaking, right? It's breaking the support area that it was originally at. And so we would definitely be watching this trade right now if we were in the market to see if it's going to continue down to the next area down here, or if it's going to what? Go back up to the next area that it was before. Okay. And so when you are trading on your own and you're looking at these charts, it's just basically you knowing what you're looking at. Okay. I always tell people, if you understand support and resistance, meaning support here is the floor. We always say support is the floor, and then resistance is the ceiling. Okay. If it's not breaking this high of a ceiling, then it's going to what? Go back down, because what goes up must come down, and what is down must come up. You see, even though it broke this area of support, what happened? It went back up into where it was previously. Okay. So if you're looking at this and you are with the educator, they would have known what to look for. But you, on the other hand, if you're a beginner, you're just starting out with binary options, you may have not known that this was about to happen. But because I am an advanced trader, I could have told you that this definitely was going back up where it was. Okay. Now, you see yourself. Let's put this little horizontal line down some. Okay. Now, we're going to see if it what? Comes back down to tap this area and see if it breaks. If it does, if it breaks through, then it's going back down to the last area it was previously at, which is here area. Okay. Let me mark that up too so you can see what I mean when I say here. Okay. I mean here. Let's make it thicker so that you can see it. All right. But guess what? We can bring our horizontal line down some more. To this area. Okay. And so if this comes back here and it doesn't break this horizontal line, then I will be looking for a couple of calls, right? In and out. Now, remember, this is binary. This is not regular Forex. So I'm in and out with the bag, okay? The goal for binary is in and out with the bag and fast, okay? And so I would be looking for a few calls, pushing it back up. Now, if it breaks this again with the full engulfed candle, okay, then I would be waiting to see if it's continuing to break down to here or if it's going to go back up into this area again, which it did while I was talking to you earlier. Okay. And so now you see exactly what I said. It came back down. It touched this area of support, which is the ceiling. It did not break. And guess what happened? Exactly what I said. I would have been in for a few calls. You see the green candles going up. I could have been in for a 1 minute call, 1 minute call, 1 minute call, and I could have ate the market up, in and out with the bag fast. Okay. And so that is how a beginner would be able to start looking at binary options in their broker account while you're trading with the educator, while you're trading and training with whoever you are doing it with. You could be actually seeing what they see. Okay. Now, of course, everything that I have just said is going to come in time from a lot of trial and error. You're going to have to continue to be in your trading account. You're going to have to continue to study, continue to stay plugged in to whoever that mentor or that educator or that instructor is that actually showed you the way. Okay. But at the end of the day, the goal is for you to eventually become an advanced trader yourself. Okay. It's great for you to eat signals from other people. It's great for you to trade with other people. But the end goal is for you to look at the market yourself. Now, watch what I said. Now, listen here. Look at here. Did y'all see that? It literally went up, right? When I said it originally. And I said, I need to see if it breaks. And guess what? It broke. Okay. And so now I would be waiting. I would be waiting to see what happens in this area. Okay. And so that is how you can quickly look at your HFX accounts while you're trading with people or while you're trying to start looking at it yourself. And you can either continue to practice, go into your demo account. You see, this is a demo account. Practice, 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 and you will get better. Okay. But it's not hard, especially when you are actually trading with someone that is advanced or educated, because they're going to really give you all of the key components that you need in order for you to be able to get in and out of that trade idea. Okay. All right. Well, we will see you guys soon. Thank you for joining us. And as always, if you need a mentor or if you are looking for a trading community that you can come and join and get information, get all of the one-on-ones that you need, get the educational platform that we use. We're talking about people that are worth millions and billions of dollars. Definitely hit me up. The information is below, and it is also at the end of this YouTube channel. I will see you guys soon.